Hey everybody, TO from Art Geek Teaching. It is Saturday, January 27th, and it is the 27th day of the Art, what's it called? Yeah, 100 Days of Art Challenge. And so today I decided I would do an art drop. And from the very beginning, this has been a snafu. I'm actually recording this on my, what is this, my MacBook Pro with the resident sound, the resident uh, whatever it's called, recording device. Yeah. Anyway, uh, I everything I recorded this morning didn't have sound for whatever reason. So anyway, it's fine. I'm having some difficulties, but it's not a big deal. Day is good. It's an art day. So yeah, I decided to do this art drop, and I usually make a short little video of art drop or of what I'm doing, where I'm going. And so you can see I scraped, I let my car warm up a few minutes, and now I'm headed out to the art drop site. I don't really have that many followers or whatever, so it's not a huge deal. But I usually will text, if I have their phone number, I will text the person that won the last art drop, that got it first, and I give them just a short little advantage by texting them and letting them know. Everything else I just put on Facebook, and I just say, hey, whatever. I'm doing an art drop, and I'll give them the hints. And so if I can find the hints, I will put them in as an annotation. But basically, this was a art drop that it's a nod to our veterans. So for local people, that probably pretty much gave it away. So yeah. So I stopped finally. I had a stoplight, and I noticed that my tripod, my window, I got a little tripod window mount thing, and it was loose, and so it was kind of bouncing around all over the place. You couldn't really tell because I have it sped up, but at the stoplight, I stopped, fixed that, and then we're rolling on out. And I only give one or two more lights, and then we move on, because otherwise it would just be too easy for the locals to find this. Actually, it's probably too easy anyway. So crossing the river bridge, arrive at my destination, and it's really too bad there's no sound here, because all the sound would have helped a lot. Had a small little freak out moment. I could not find the art. I don't know what happened to it. It disappeared. And so I looked around for a few minutes. I shut off the camera. I started driving home. I called my sweetheart and said, hey, could you look on that countertop and see if I forgot the art? And then I thought, you know what? I put it on top of the car. Yeah, I put it on top of the car when I was scraping. I thought, well, maybe I left it on top of the car. And, it fell off somewhere. But it did not. I finally found it underneath the seat. It had slid off the back seat and underneath the front seat where I couldn't see it. So here is a nod to our veterans. This is actually the site of the print of the painting that I created and gave away. This is the site that I shot the original photograph and used for photo reference. And it's a really nice veterans memorial in our community. There's a walk on both sides, and you can see all the names are up there. It's, like I said, it's really, really cool, especially for a small community like ours. To have something this nice is incredible. So just a nod to all of our veterans, our fallen veterans that gave the ultimate sacrifice. I'm walking a short walk here, saying a silent prayer, thanking the Lord for their service, and a prayer for their families. And so anyway, this is it. This is the very end of it. Gonna reveal where the art is actually placed, and then that'll be the end of the video. So just walking out here, and you can kind of already see there's a statue at the very, very end of it, which actually is the entrance. And that statue is made by a local artist. His name is Ted Long. He's pretty famous. He's a Western artist, and he blessed us with this really, really nice sculpture. It's at the very entrance to that. And I'm going to go ahead and place my art in here. You can see it's right there under the soldier's leg, and pretty easy for, again, for our local people, given the hints that I have. But anyway, that's it.